So underneath on the Venza, there's not a lot to see. They covered up with all this plastic for aerodynamics, and I guess it also protects the undercarriage against debris, that type of thing. Here's a look at the backside on the front wheels here. There's your transaxle coming off there, and you've got four-wheel disc brakes up front, dual piston calipers up there as well. As I said, not a whole lot to look at. Let me see if we can get a peek underneath here and take a look at your suspension. So it's a coil-over strut suspension, fully independent front and rear suspension. And then as we slide over to this side, there's your exhaust system. Now this tin that you see right here, these are heat shields designed to keep the heat from the exhaust out of the engine compartment. Sometimes around 50 to 70,000 miles, you'll start hearing a rattle come out from a lot of different vehicles, and what's happening is this is coming loose right here, and then those will rattle. Sounds a lot worse than it is. Take it to your local dealer and get it fixed. Doesn't cost a whole lot. See the orange cables up there? Those are the electric motor cables that are powering the rear wheel electric motors. So the Venza is an all-wheel drive vehicle, and the rear wheels are powered by an electric motor. You can see it up in there. So you have no rear drive shaft like you'd have in a traditional four-wheel drive unit. Those rear wheels do not get power until the sensors determine there's a slippage to the rear wheels, and that's when the power will kick in on that rear motors. You can see the coil springs here in the back for the rear suspension, fully independent rear suspension on both sides. Up here is where your gas tank is, so that's your gas tank there, and it's covered with that plastic protectant as well. So it makes it much more aerodynamic and does add, as I said, some additional protection to the undercarriage. So coming out the back, we have dual exhaust tips. They're both chrome exhaust tips, but it is a single exhaust, so you can see it comes back as a single pipe, goes into the muffler, and then breaks out as two separate exhaust tips on the back side. Here's a quick look at the wheels on this one. So they're a kind of a satin finish chrome wheel, and that's a 19-inch cast aluminum wheels with chrome lug nuts. It's a nice all-season tire, 225 series tire. Really good in the snow, but also quiet and smooth. Here's a look at your lower tail lights. So those are your backup lights. And you've got the sensors under there as well, the backup sensors. You can see your components back here are all painted as well. It's interesting to me that they use a lot of different plastic covering different parts of the vehicle, and I think that's primarily looking to keep down the road noise on there as well, what they call noise, vibration, and harshness. So that's a quick look at the undercarriage on this 2023 Venza. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.